Pancera's factory is located 70 kilometers from city center, a 95,625 meters square factory in the Godu industry zone at Dong Nai province. The expertise of manpower in the factory join forces with specialists from Taiwan. All products produced in this factory conforms to the CIRIM and European norm standards. Vietnam is blessed with good natural resources. The natural resources are abundant and most importantly, the quality is consistent to meet the international standards. Our porcelain tiles are made from clay, kaolin, sand talc, and many other ingredients of Mother Nature. These large resources of raw material are made to produce only porcelain tiles in our factory. We are specialized in this segment unlike many other factories where both ceramic and porcelain tiles are made. All the raw materials are sent to ball milling process to blend and transform to mud form, which will be stored underground before the next stage. We ensure our ball milling process is long enough to achieve the finest ingredients for the stringent quality. Our ball milling process operates 24 hours to ensure the consistency of quality without compromising on the cost-cutting measures adopted by others in the industry. These raw materials are thoroughly checked and tested by our experts to ensure its quality is second to none. The well-mixed mud form material will then be transformed to superfine powder through a high-pressure spray drying process using state-of-the-art technology. These superfine powders will form the body of the porcelain. In the next stage, the powders will be pressed by the press machine where the powder are molded and pressed into tiles form according to the size. These end products are called tile biscuits. The tile biscuits will be sent through a conveyor belt to a large firing roller kiln with a firing process for more than 1,150 degrees Celsius for at least 45 minutes before it becomes a real tile. In this process, we ensure that our tiles are well fired by controlling the firing curve and its temperature through constant monitoring of the kiln condition 24 hours through a computerized centric control panel. This process is very important for us to consistently achieve the production yield of more than 90% first grade at all time, which is impossible for most of our competitors. The effective marketing strategy adopted by Pancera in the international market have enabled the factory to produce every product in large volume with some codes reaching 100,000 meters square per production run. This has made Pancera production process highly efficient with superior quality consistency outclassing all other manufacturers in this region. When the tiles are sent for polishing, we will ensure that the polishing process achieves minimum glossiness reading of 50% before applying nano wax. This is to preserve the lasting effect of the polishing should the nano wax wears off over time. Our tiles water absorption around 0.02% as compared to the standard of 0.5%. Another highlight will be the nano wax that we use is in comply with the international standard requirements. After polishing, the tiles are checked to ensure it reaches the glossiness level of at least 90% and above. To have an edge over others, we have even adopted 100% quality control systems through our very unique horizontal rolling lighted room to ensure the shade consistency of our product. This particular process has become the unique key selling points for our products. The international buyers are amazed with this feature during their visits to our factory. All our products are packed with automated packing machines after careful calculation to derive the best method of stacking and packing to minimize the possibility of wastages during the long journey of shipments. which goes as far as Europe and United States.